is Senator Henry Seraki Dickson, whom I represent Bayelsa West in the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I am lending my voice fully and totally in support of the bill for special seats for women at all levels. Now, this bill is dealing with representation of women in the parliaments, in the houses of assembly, and also we should be thinking down the line of councillors, but that has to be done at the state level. I'm in support of that because it's important that we give our women greater inclusion and increase their capacity to lend their voice and to be further more involved in national development. We need to give them more power and more voice. And I want to call on my colleagues, who, by the way, all know that I'm fully in support of any legislation or anything that is pro-women. Well, when you are pro-women, you are pro-development. Statistics have shown that societies that are backward, societies that are in perpetual crisis, are indeed societies that do not include women or do so sufficiently. Nigeria has to join the League of Nations that are inclusive, that understand the role and the place of women in our national development. And these women we are talking about are not people from another planet. We are talking of our mothers, our dear cherished mothers. We are talking of our dear lovely wives. We are talking of our lovely daughters. We are talking of our sisters. We are talking of our friends. And indeed, we are talking of our citizens, fellow citizens. And without them, we're not complete. And that's the way nation has made it. And Nigeria has to join the League of Nations. Even within Africa, there are nations that have gone ahead of us. And we've got to join and possibly even lead in terms of percentage of representation. So once again, I'm lending my voice completely and totally to the bill for special seats for women. We can talk about and debate about the numbers or the form it will take, but in principle, let's all agree that we need to include women. Thank you.